You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
Yeah, so that worked out perfectly. Got one shoot down, lovely location. Got that cityscape that I wanted to get. So I'm happy with that. Now, we're gonna go on to the next thing. Got another model, supposed to line up at the beach. Hopefully it doesn't rain. That sky opened up for me. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Man, can't ask for much more. All right, on to the next spot. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD out here at night in Chicago with the beautiful Tiffany. Now, we have a one light setup. I'm using the Godox V1 because we don't need much light out here. And I'm going to try to use the back buildings that you see for some separation. Now, here to help me, Miss Tiffany. Where can we find you at?
Tiffany A Young _
On Instagram?
Yeah.
All right, we can slide in the DMs.
No, it's gonna be in the request.
All right, so if you're looking to work with her, you in Chicago area, you know, make sure to reach out to her. Tell her T-Mid sent you. Are you ready to go?
Yes.
Let's go. Perfect. All right. All right. Yeah, just hold that right there. 1, 2, 3. All right, I'm gonna do one more test shot. You can just stay just like that. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Hold that. Hold that. Beautiful. 1, 2. Hold that. I'm gonna get a different angle. 1, 2. Perfect. Yeah, that way, that more like that. All right. 1, 2. 1, 2. Perfect. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yep. 1, 2. 1, 2. Let's see. 1, 2. All right, there we go. I like that. Yeah, I like that. All right, let's come down here. And what we gonna do? We're gonna pretty much work with this outfit since it's late. We don't gotta worry about the other one. 1, 2, 3. All right, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold that. 1, 2, 3. All right, let me see. All right, boom. All right, let's drop that. We're gonna go G2. Yeah.
My leg up?
Yeah, actually, and come like right. Yeah, bring that arm on there. Yeah, just like that. All right, 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Perfect. 1, 2. And can you like on there? I don't know that thing. Yeah. Yeah. That's it right there. All right, yeah, let's see. 1, 2. 1, 2. Put them like down by your waist. Yeah, yeah. I'm talking about like rest your. Yeah. I like that. I like that better. 1, 2, and tilt your head towards me. I'm gonna get one more. 1, 2. All right, that's cool. All right, here. This should be good. All right, how you feel about getting wet?
I don't mind.
You don't mind?
No, I already got a fan on my.
All right, go ahead. You good? You gonna stay right there. We the troopers out here. All right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
That light up the cold too, bro. I was looking at the light.
1, 2. Hold on. Perfect. 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 1. For me. Perfect. Perfect. And put your hands over your head. Yeah. That's it right there. That's it right there. Stay right there. Perfect. Let me get a 1, 2. All right, let's see if you perfect. 1, 2. 1, 2. And 1, 2. God damn. 1, 2. And give me that cross one more time. 1, 2. Oh, that's perfect, perfect, perfect. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, let's go. What is going on, guys? You just tuned in to T to the M to the IDD, and if you enjoy this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you really enjoy the content, check out some more of the videos that you see right here. Oh yeah, and hit that like button for me.